Hi everybody, I'm here with my grandson Easton today, and we're going to try to do a little video of some new baskets we've just gotten in. These are pine needle baskets, and they're also some that are made out of pigeon, which is a grass very like sweetgrass, and they also have raffia. Normally Jean does these videos, but she's not here today, so we're going to try it ourselves. So Easton, let's open that box up. Okay. Let's see what we've got here. Start pulling them out. Oh man. This is a fabulous, wait just a minute, buddy. This is a fabulous basket. This is all pine needle. All pine needle and raffia. And they're so sturdy. It's amazing. Okay. Boy, I want a chocolate pie look good in there.
Oh yeah. I think that
Another pine needle, all pine needle. Smaller pine needle.
This one's pretty good.
Okay, this one is, this grass here is pigeon and pine needle.
This is the same one.
This is another one just like that. Yep. They smell good, don't they?
I think these are well.
I love the color in this. This one is also pigeon. The greenish is pigeon. This red here is a dyed pine needles. I love the repetition of pattern. Another one just like that one.
They're small.
Here's a small one, pine needle. Nice little basket. Put on your dresser to put your, this one's a second one.
To put your change in.
Put your change in, or guys can put their wallet in. Oh, that's beautiful. Pigeon, and small basket pigeon and pine needle. The brown pine needle.
I think
Man,
it's the same as that one, just smaller.
smaller, yeah. Another one like that.
Same one as that.
Okay, this is, yeah, smaller version. That larger one. Another one. Okay, these are sets of coasters. Sets of 4 pine needle coasters. Got several of those.
Oh boy.
All pine needle, fabulous larger basket. This is one spiral of pine needles from the middle all the way out to the outside edge, and you see no loose ends. How they do it, I do not know. These are trivets, Bajon and pine needle.
And I think this is the biggest one.
That's the biggest. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. We've had ladies that really like this for knitting, put their yarns in these. Okay. Well, that is it. That's the what have just come in. We do have more at a couple of locations here in the gallery. Hope you can stop by. We're here 10 to 5, Monday through Saturday. And thank you, Easton, for the help here today. Just guys here at the gallery today. Thank you. This is another section of the gallery that has only the pine needle. Only the pine needle baskets. Here are a few more that are in the gallery already.